Comparing decimals and decimal shift. A decimal is a way of writing fractions or parts of a whole using a dot, called the decimal point. Example, 0.5 means half, and 0.25 means 1/4. Explain that the numbers to the right of the decimal point represent parts of a whole, tenths, hundredths, thousandths, and so on. Comparing decimals. When comparing decimals, we figure out which number is bigger, smaller, or if they're equal. Steps to compare decimals. Align the decimal points. Write the decimals in a column, making sure the decimal points line up. Example, compare 0.5 and 0.45, 0.50, 0.45. Align the decimal points. Example. Steps to compare decimals. Add zeros, if needed. If the decimals don't have the same number of digits, add zeros to make them equal in length. Example, 0.5 becomes 0.50 for easy comparison. Add zeros, if needed. Example. Steps to compare decimals. Compare place by place. Start from the left, tenths place, and move to the right. The larger digit in the first different place shows the larger number. Example, 0.50 greater than 0.45 because 5 tenths is greater than 4 tenths. Compare place by place. Example. Decimal shift. The decimal shift happens when we move the decimal point to multiply or divide by powers of 10. When multiplying by 10, 100, or 1000. Rule. Move the decimal point to the right by as many places as there are zeros in the multiplier. Example, 2.5 times 10 equals 25.0. Move one place to the right, 0.345 times 100 equals 34.5. Move two places to the right. When dividing by 10, 100, or 1000. Rule. Move the decimal point to the left by as many places as there are zeros in the divisor. Example, 25 divided by 10 equals 2.5. Move one place to the left, 345 divided by 100 equals 3.45. Move two places to the left.